Okay, so solubility is a physical property that describes how well a solute is able to dissolve in a certain amount of a solvent at a specific temperature. Solubility tells me how many grams of salt I will need to saturate a solution made with 100 milliliters of water at 60 degrees Celsius. So I just mentioned that solubility is a physical property, and as we know, physical properties can't be observed without changing the identity of the substances. So for example, if I dissolve salt in water, I am not changing the molecules in salt, nor am I changing the molecules that make up water. Specifically, solubility is a characteristic property. That means we can use solubility to help identify unknown substances. Other characteristic physical properties we learned about are density, melting point, and boiling point.